In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a video autoplay in Canva, a great tool for designing everything from presentations to social media graphics. This feature is especially useful when you want your videos to start playing as soon as they become visible, maintaining audience engagement seamlessly. Let's dive straight in. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to your Canva project. Make sure you've already got the video you want to work with uploaded into your project. If you're accessing Canva from a web browser, simply type the Canva URL and log into your account. Once you're in, go to your project's dashboard and open the specific project you're working on. Now look for the video you want to set to autoplay. In Canva, videos are treated like other design elements, so you'll see them directly on your design canvas. Click on the video you've chosen. It'll have a border around it to indicate it's selected. Your next move is to head over to the toolbar, usually located towards the top of your screen or sometimes slightly to the side, depending on your layout or screen size. You should see an Edit option whenever a video is selected. Click on this Edit button. It's here that you can control some of the playback settings for your video. Within these settings, you're looking for an option to enable your video to play automatically. There might be a toggle switch next to it. You need to turn this toggle on. This simple action tells Canva that you want the video to start playing automatically without anyone having to press a play button. After you toggle the autoplay function on, Canva will automatically save this setting for you. There's no need to look for a separate save button, making this process incredibly convenient. You can preview your project to see this feature in action. Simply press the present or play button at the top of your dashboard. When your video appears within the slide deck or whatever format you're using, it should begin playing right away, thanks to the autoplay setting. And that's it. You've successfully set your video to autoplay in Canva. This added functionality can truly enhance the viewer's experience, making sure that your message comes across dynamically without delay. Remember, autoplay videos are a powerful tool for capturing attention immediately, so use them wisely to focus your audience's gaze whenever they encounter your project. I hope you found this tutorial simple and easy to follow. With just a few clicks, you've made sure that your videos can play smoothly and capture attention instantly. If you have any further questions or need more tips on making the most out of Canva's features, feel free to check out additional resources or leave your comments below. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.